everybody, welcome to Shade and Shine. In today's video I am going to show you how to make quilled earrings, the picture of which I have already posted on my Instagram and also on my Facebook page, that is Pulse Quill Creation. Those for following me there, you might know which piece I am talking about, and if you don't know, I would request you to please follow me on my Instagram and also on my Facebook page, that is Pulse Quill Creation. The link and all I'll put in the description box below, and also you can see here. So yeah, without delay, let me show you.
We need this type of strips. These are called quilling strips made of paper. First we are going to prepare the eye portion. For that I have taken this white strip. This type of strips we can purchase from stationery store or online. I bought it long back from a stationery store. So here I have cut the inner portion of the eye. The equal portion I have cut for both the eye. Now I am going to take a dark green color strip and then going to paste this white cut off portion to this. In this way, paste it and then let it dry. The same way, take another strip and then paste the other cut off for the other eye. Now let's check the first portion. So I think it's almost dried. We can start rolling. So roll in this way. It should be a tight roll. So just pull and keep on rolling. Don't loosen it. Keep on rolling in this way. I am checking if this is enough or I need to roll some more. This is enough. So I am going to cut off in this. Then stick the end point to its body. While sticking, be careful, don't mess it up. So the cut portion I am going to measure for the second strip, and the unwanted portion of the strip I am going to cut it off before rolling it, so that we have equal size for both the eye. So the same way we have to roll this. If you're doing with me, you can pause the video and try. Because I have fast forwarded it in between. So glue it in this way and then paste it. So now as you can see on the left top picture, we need white strips in top of this. First I am going to check like how many strips will be required, if one strip will be enough to get the desired size of the eye. So that is the reason I have not glued it at the first go. Just checking, so I found like one strip will do. Going to paste this to the already prepared quilling button. In this way, just paste it and then start rolling. So if we start rolling without pasting, then in the later days there's a chance of coming out, or it might get loosened. So it's better we paste it and then start rolling. white strip is rolled. Now I'm going to paste this. This is not exactly white strip, there is a slight shining silver kind of. Paste it in this way. So in top of this I am going to paste one more circle of green color strip, as you can see on the left side picture. These 4 eyes I have prepared for both the earrings in the same way as I have shown you the first one. Now I am going to prepare the body portion. So for that I have taken 2 strips, glued it, and then I am rolling it the same way as I have shown you. Just roll it in this way. And then loosen it and then press for whatever shape is required. So hope you can relate this with the picture. So now I have pasted this. So this is the shape we have got. The same way I have prepared the other. So here we have 4 for both the earrings. So now we need to paste this in this way. So here we go. Here I have pasted this. Now we need to prepare the other portion, the inner portion, as you can see, that square one. That also I have prepared the same way. Just press it and then get the desired shape that is required. So I have pasted this as well. Now I'm going to these are the fits. I'm going to paste this here. For whatever shape is required, we just have to roll it and then press for the desired shape. So this is the final look. I have attached the hook as well. If you liked my video, please hit the like button, and if you would like to watch such videos more, please let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such update. So until my next video, bye bye, see ya.
Subscribe and please share with others. So until my next video, bye bye, see ya.